Hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, or welcome if you're new around here. My name is Eliza and this channel is about beauty, fashion, lifestyle and trends. Thank you so much for joining me today for this video, because today I'm going to be doing a review on my latest purchase from Louis Vuitton, this beautiful Wild at Heart speedy bag. I'm so excited to share my opinion with you guys and share with you every single teeny tiny detail, so stay with me and let's get started. So today I'm going to be showing you my brand new speedy bandolier bag from Louis Vuitton. This one is from 2021 Wild at Heart collection, and if you've seen this collection you know it's very loud, edgy collection with lots of animal prints and stuff like that. But this is the only bag that was very classic, very elegant and still in Louis Vuitton classic style, if I can put it like that, because it has a very muted sort of a beige grey color, or rather mauve color I'd say, and it has a lot of elements from the imprinted leather bags from Louis Vuitton, but the logos are bigger definitely, and it's made out of 100% leather. It's not a classic monogram canvas, it's like imprinted leather, and I really like it. So let's get into the details. Huge fan of speedy bags since high school, I guess, because I think it's such a classic shape and it's so Louis Vuitton. So I have a couple of them in my collection, but when I saw this one I thought it's quite elegant and so classy, so it definitely matches my style for sure. And I wanted to have it in bandolier type because like it's super convenient. You can have it as a handbag or wear it crossbody, which I personally like, because this shape is definitely a perfect one to wear as a crossbody bag. And the color, oh my god, I love this color. I'm quite picky when it comes to colors. I have lots of black bags in my collection, lots of beige, and when I saw this one, it's a sort of a beigey gray but rather mauve color. It's very strange because in camera it looks completely different than in real life, but if you've seen it in the stores you know what I'm talking about. It's a beautiful shade of beigey gray and I love it. So it's very classic once again, and now as you can see it has a beautiful shiny gold hardware. Everything looks absolutely on point. It's just absolutely like a treasure bag for me. It's like my unicorn bag. I really like this big monogram. It's very similar to the imprinted leather as I mentioned before, but the monogram size is a little bit bigger. But overall I really like that it comes in a 25 centimeter size. It's very convenient. It's just enough space to carry everything that you need with you. It's quite spacious and it's just, as I told you, one of my favorite models since high school. Now let's take a closer look at the details. You can see all the stitching is done properly. It has a beautiful shiny hardware as I mentioned before. All the logos are just beautiful. The edges look absolutely spotless and everything looks absolutely perfect. Now let's take a closer look inside, and as you can see traditionally it has a huge compartment with a little side pocket here where I keep my authenticity card, and as you can see the lining is very light, so I prefer to have organizer inside. I have my organizer in another speedy bag, so but yeah, I usually keep it very neat and tidy, therefore I need an organizer with two big compartments to keep the interior clean and spotless. Because I mean, you can have it without organizer, it's definitely your choice, but if you have some miscellaneous items laying around, it's more likely you have like lots of spots, dust, and just you will soil the bag, which is not that great. As you can see, the color of the bag is very light, so I'm not sure if it will have any color transfers or something like that, but based on my experience the imprinted leather is the best from Louis Vuitton, and it's highly unlikely that you will have any color transfers, because I have my neon oil in a lighter color, like creamy beige color, and so far I don't have any spots or any like color transfers whatsoever. So let's hope that this one will stay spotless like this. There are 3 ways of carrying this bag. You can have it as a top handle, or you can wear it on the crook of your arm, which I find quite elegant and very sophisticated, but I prefer to have it as a cross-body bag, because you can wear it in front of you or on your side like a messenger type of bag, or you can even wear it like this. It's still very convenient, very elegant, and so stylish. So it's definitely my type of bag. I really like the shape of it. It's so good, and this particular color definitely goes with everything, whether you're wearing blacks, whether you're wearing colors, whether you're wearing monochromatic looks, or like all beige, all white, it doesn't matter. This is such a versatile color. This is such a beautiful color to have, so it's definitely my cup of tea. I received my speedy bag in this beautiful Louis Vuitton box with all the receipts and the paperwork, and of course the authenticity card. As I mentioned before, it comes with a little lock and 2 keys, which is absolutely fantastic. I really like these small details, and the quality again is absolutely fantastic. I've heard a lot of you saying that the quality recently is a bit off, but my bag again is absolutely spotless, absolutely perfect, and very well made. I can't complain at all. Now that was pretty much it, and if you liked my review, please give it a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already, and don't forget to check the description box for some goody discount codes that I've put there for you. And as usual, I will see you very soon on my next video. Bye guys.